Keep watching because today we're testing 2 pepperonis to see which is best for your next pizza.
It's gonna be good.
Yeah, I think they're both gonna be winners in their own way.
I think they will.
Okay.
Hey everybody, I'm John.
And I'm Katie, and welcome to Pizza with Plants.
So outside of a margarita pizza, I would say, in my opinion, that pepperoni pizzas are probably one of the most iconic. Yeah, wouldn't you?
I would say.
I mean, I ate my fair share of them in college.
Yes, burning lava hot.
Yes. But we don't eat pepperoni anymore. So we thought it would be fun to
Try a couple
different vegan options. The pizzas we're going to do are real simple. We're just going to do a comparison. We're using our quick cook tomato sauce. There'll be a recipe down below, so that's just going to be the base. Then we're going to be using our Violife mozzarella, and we're just, again, keeping it really classic and simple.
So we've got field roast classic pepperoni, and in this quart, Renegade Foods artisan vegan salami. This is the sweet Toscana, roasted red pepper and fennel.
Yeah, it is good.
Fennel's good.
So
anyway,
it's kind of a, I mean, this is
pre-sliced.
Yeah, pre-sliced. This is a little.
Will slice.
This one will slice up. It's a little bit more of a gourmet effect, but it, yeah. I mean, we found this. I think we found these on Renegade. Heard about them on Instagram, and so we bought this. We bought them in 3 options, and so yeah, I think these are going to be fun.
Let's have a bake-off.
Okay, let's make pizza. First, we're going to get our Renegade Foods pepperoni sliced up. It's got a really great consistency, and this would be a great addition on any type of vegan charcuterie board that you're making. So the first pepperoni up is the field roast pepperoni. Katie's going to get started by getting the dough formed, and as always, she can't stop squeezing and popping the Charmin, or I mean her pizza dough. It does form a lot of little air pockets in the side. This is going to be just a really simple pizza. We're using our quick cook tomato sauce. There'll be a link down below. And then for our cheese, we're using a Violife mozzarella, and then we're going to be topping that with the field roast pepperoni. Finally, we're going to be making our pizza with the Renegade Food pepperoni. Katie's going to start out, as always, by getting the dough formed and then stretching it out to the shape that we like and onto the semolina covered pizza peel. Again, we're using our quick cook tomato sauce, and then our Violife mozzarella, and finally the Renegade Foods pepperoni. Admittedly, because it's not pre-sliced, I will say we struggled a little bit in getting consistency with the sizes. I did speak to management about getting an electric slicer, but I was given a hard no as a response. So maybe next time.
Covered in flour. I clearly worked hard today.
Yes.
Ooh, that's a little charcoal-y.
Yeah. Are you saying they burnt the pizza?
Yeah, maybe. Just a little.
That's not very nice.
It's honest.
We have pepperoni pizza. So what do you think? I kind of burnt the pizzas a little bit. It was challenging. It was really windy.
It's very windy.
And so
they're good. I mean, they look good.
Yeah.
This one's doing a little of the little pepperoni cupping thing, but as John pointed out, there's no fat in vegan pepperoni, so it's very dry. So he actually did a drizzle of olive oil from a confit that we made with tomatoes and garlic. So it's a flavored olive oil that's super yummy.
Yeah.
So we gave it both of them a little drizzle, and
we should probably have a bite.
Yeah.
Okay. Good idea.
I'm gonna try this one even though it's crispy. Ooh, the dough looks really good.
Yeah, no, the dough does look good.
If I say so myself.
The cheese is good.
Mm-hmm. This is the Vio Life mozzarella. Mm-hmm. And this one is the field roast. It's gooey. It's gooey
Yeah,
pizza.
this is the field roast pepperoni.
So it's thinner because it's pre-cut for you. I didn't get the Renegade as, wow, you're making a mess. As thin as the prepackaged type comes. So.
Yeah, it's definitely.
I should have taken a bite with pepperoni in it.
Yeah, you probably should have, being that this is a pepperoni test. Mm-hmm. And we should have brought napkins to the party. So.
It's good. It has a good flavor. Tastes like pepperoni, just not as greasy.
Yeah, no, it absolutely does. So, ready for the next one?
Yep.
Okay.
I want that one.
Side by side.
Oh, interesting.
Just
this
the two of us.
This one's softer. The dough's not as firm.
Yeah. Okay.
I would go too.
Yeah, still very messy.
I feel like the flavor of this pepperoni is more deep. It's more intense. It's more
Yes, there's more
like cured. I don't know what the term would be. Like it's just a deeper flavor. This is a lighter. The field roast is lighter, and the Renegade is.
Yeah, I think the Renegade has just more flavor going on. That's not to say that the field roast isn't good. Mm-hmm. They're just very different. I guess I like them both. This like is great how we used it on the pizza. Mm-hmm. I almost think this could be used on pizza or like on a charcuterie board or something like that.
Yeah, for sure.
You know what I mean? With crackers and vegan cheese and nuts and that sort of thing. Both really good.
Yeah.
I was kind of hoping that I would like one better than the other, but I think that they're both have good. They're both good.
Yeah.
So that was very political of us, so we don't get yelled at by companies.
Nobody's paying us. We can say whatever we like.
Well, that's fair.
So you're going to get an honest assessment because.
Yeah, but they were both very,
good.
very good. It would be interesting to slice this thinner, like maybe on a mandolin.
I thought about that, but I worried our mandolin's kind of old and would.
Well, we're old. We still work.
I know, but this might not be sharp enough because this was very dense, very to slice through. So.
What I hear you saying is that we actually should get a powered meat cutter to slice things.
No, we're not getting a powered meat cutter.
When do you travel next?
No.
I plan all of our purchases when she's out of town.
Very conveniently. So.
File that tip away.
Don't.
So that was fun. That was good.
That was good. I feel like I need to wash my hands though. So for now, be kind.
Eat pizza.
With plants.
See ya. Okay.
Yeah, this one, I think because it's like the bottom didn't get a chance to do its thing. Oh.